Are double and single quotes interchangeable in JavaScript? Well, short answer, yes, they are. We are going to see two use cases, and I'm going to go around also backticks that are our new addition to ECMAScript 6, right? A new version of JavaScript, the one that you are probably using right now, and the one that everybody uses. So, first of all, I want to mention something. Double quotes are the desirable solution whenever you're writing code, alright? Why? Well, because of these reasons. Because of JSONs that must be double quoted, because of apostrophes, and because many other languages use double quotes to wrap strings, right? So, when we have a piece of code in JavaScript, between quotes, either double quotes or single quotes, that means that that piece of code is a string. So, what's the difference between using either one of these? Well, there isn't really a difference more than your preference. So, remember, you must choose wisely and stick to that option throughout your entire document. Now, I want to talk a little bit about backticks because they are the third solution for this. We could use, for example, console log. Let's log out the result. We could use, for example, backticks and use inside backticks single and double quotes. For example, I'm happy, said Ramon. You see? Now we get the following output. I'm happy, said Ramon. And we can use both single and double quotes inside it. So, just to sum up, yes, single and double quotes are interchangeable. You can use both of them in your code, but it's not recommended to use both.